Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about these bad boys. These supposed to protect your ears when you are at the concert or you are a DJ and playing loud music very often. Spoiler alert, I had mixed feelings about this thing. I'm not saying you should skip on it, but you need to think before you buy. So I was at the concert the other day and I was using those bad boys. You guys know band In Flames? Ginger. And unprocessed. Was pretty loud, it was awesome. So I bought the earplugs to protect my ears. I took the white filters with me, a case, the white filters and earplugs. That's all I took with me at that concert. White filters are the lowest in noise cancelling feature. And they definitely do their job. Like, I thought they're gonna do a greater job of maintaining the overall sound quality. They definitely reduce the noise, but they shape the sound. The sound changes when you put them in. I thought you're gonna be hearing less noise, but the quality will be the same. But it's not. So think twice before you buy. But do I recommend buying these filters? I think I can recommend buying these filters because it definitely helps to protect your ears and you don't get tired as much. You don't feel like your head is exploding after all the concert. But I wasn't using them all the time. Sometimes I was using just one. I took this from this ear. I took one, I left one here. And I was trying different positions. The first time I put them in, I put them so deep I couldn't get them out for half of a song. So it was crazy. The band were playing and I was like, I can't hear anything and I can't even take them out. It was funny as hell. But eventually I took them out and then I was like, okay, I need to be more gentle. And I put them in just ever so slightly, just a little bit. And it works. And they hold their position very good, so don't be afraid if you're gonna lose them. I don't think you're ever gonna lose them. Unless you go into the mosh pit, that's a whole different story. I'm not saying I'm disappointed with this product, but I was hoping for more. Am I going to use it in the future? The answer is yes, I will give them a try. So these are my final thoughts about the product. The earplugs do their job, but I need to find out more, I need to experiment more, I need to use them more to really grasp how good the earplugs are. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.